Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to unmute a TikTok account. If you've previously muted an account and want to start hearing their content again, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the account's page that you want to unmute. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by scrolling through your TikTok feed. Once you're on the account's page, look for the bell icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the bell icon, and a menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select All. This will ensure that you receive notifications for all the content posted by that account. Unmuting a TikTok account allows you to stay updated with the latest content from that account. By unmuting an account, you won't miss out on any valuable TikTok content and can continue enjoying the creator's posts. We hope you found this guide helpful in unmuting a TikTok account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy rediscovering the content of your favorite TikTok accounts by unmuting them.